Hello, today I'm going to tell you how you will use this Visual Studio environment. Um, when you open this Visual Studio 2010 environment, you just click on File to select your new project. File, New Project. For a desktop application, you just click on this, and if you want to create your web applications, you just click on Website. Here you can select your language, which language you want to work, Visual Studio, Visual C Sharp. Here you can select your framework as well, and then name that website, and then click OK. It will create you a project. When you when it creates you a project, click on Solution Explorer, and you will see some folders and files. These are by default folders and files that will be created automatically by Visual Studio. Then here for script, here we are having a script folder. In this folder you will be defining your script files, whatever you want to include in your project, you will be including in this script folder. If any style sheets, CSS styles you want to include, you will include in this style folder. Here we have a global.asex file. In this file, what you will be defining here we have some functions defined. We have an application start function, application end, application error, session start, session end. These are the functions, and within these functions you have to define your code, whatever you want to run when an application start, whatever the code you want to run on your application start, application end, application error, session start, whatever the function you want to perform. You just on these actions will define here in global.asex. In web.config file, here you will be defining your database connections. In this connection string, connection name, string and provider, here you will be defining your database connection, and you can also define here your credentials, web credentials, your rights you want to give, whom you want to access, or all these kind of different things you will be defining here in web.config file. In web.config, when you click on this project, right click on this project, here a menu, drop down menu opens with the build website. Build website is when you create your when you are completed with your project, build this website, and then after building this website, click on this debug button, so you will see your output. Locally your output will be seen. Then add new item. When you click on add new item, here we have different types of items on languages, Visual Basic or Visual C Sharp. We have web forms, master pages, web control, we have classes. Whatever the item you want to select, we have JScript files, reports, skin files, and style sheets, web services. All these items are defined in this. Whatever you will define here, select your name them, and then click on add. It will add in your project, and then you can move it in the folder if you have created new folder. Then we have, if you want to create some folders, you just create folder from new folder, add ASP.NET folder. This is a bin folder. Bin folder is used to put all the DLL files you want to include in your projects. You just click on this folder and then place the required DLLs in this folder. Then app code, this folder. In this folder you'll be placing your all global classes, or all the classes you will be defining in this app code folder. And this is how the environment will work. Here you build your solution, and if you want to rebuild your solution, you can rebuild your solution, debug, start your debugging, you can stop. If you want to connect to your database, you can connect to your database. We have Solution Explorer, in which you can view all the project files. We have a property window, in which you can change the properties of your any kind of tool you want to change. And we have Server Explorer, in which you will be defining your database connection. These are some basic and important tools which a beginner must know. Thank you.